Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today, I'm taking you to one of London's hidden summer gems, the beautiful Lavender Garden in Fawcett Garden, located inside Vauxhall Park. When people think of lavender in England, they often imagine the famous countryside lavender farms. But did you know that you can also enjoy a stunning display of lavender right here in central London? Best of all, it's completely free to visit. Just a 5-minute walk from Vauxhall Station, this peaceful garden comes alive every summer, usually from late June through July, when hundreds of lavender plants bloom into a sea of purple. As you stroll along the pathways, you'll notice the gentle fragrance carried by the breeze. The colorful flowers also attract bees and butterflies, making the garden full of life and natural beauty. Although Fawcett Garden is much smaller than the large lavender farms in the English countryside, it has its own unique charm. It's quiet, relaxing, and surprisingly peaceful, despite being surrounded by the busy city. This is the perfect place to slow down, enjoy nature, take a few photographs, or simply sit on a bench and watch the world go by. If you're visiting London during the summer, I highly recommend adding Vauxhall Park to your itinerary. It's an easy place to reach by public transport and offers a wonderful escape from the crowds without leaving the city. I hope you've enjoyed this relaxing walk through London's Lavender Garden. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next adventure.